Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money internationally with RIA. Let's get into it. First, start your transfer and pick a country. The first step is to open the main page and tell the system where you want your money to go. You need to pick the destination before you can see the costs. Go to the RIA website and click the button to start a new send. Look through the list of countries and click on the one where your friend or family member lives. Because the cost of sending money changes depending on where it is going. You have to pick the country so the system can show you the right price and how much the other person will get in their own local cash. Without this step, the system wouldn't know which bank rules to follow today. Next, choose the amount and the delivery method. You need to decide exactly how much you want to send and how the other person will receive the cash. Type the amount of dollars you want to send into the box. Pick if you want the money to go straight to a bank or if you want the person to pick it up in person, because it lets you control your budget. Choosing how the person gets the money is important because some people might not have a bank and would rather walk into a shop to get the cash. It ensures that the person you are helping can get their money in the way that is easiest for them. Next, add the receiver's details. Now you need to put in the information for the person who is getting the money so the system knows who to pay. If you're in your dashboard or mobile app, you can type in the full name and the phone number of the person getting the cash. If you are sending to a bank, make sure to put in the right bank numbers very carefully, because your business information must be correct for the money to arrive safely. By putting in the right name, you are making sure the bank gives the cash to the right person and not someone else. And that's it. To send money internationally in RIA, you must first pick the country you are sending to. Then, you choose the amount and how they get it to set your plan. Next, you add the receiver's name and details so the money goes to the right person. Finally, you pay for the transfer to finish the job. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.